Okay, so this week we're doing Pastel Dancers for Degas because he drew a ton of ballerinas in pastel. So got some pastels up here. Got a lightly printed dancer. I wish I had done it a little bit lighter than this, on some pastel paper, and let's start. Okay, so the first thing I did was throw down some skin tone and kind of outline what I was going to be doing where. Next, I threw down some undercolor. I decided to go with kind of a purpley pink for her tutu and her shoes. So then I kind of went in and added some definition, smoothed some things out. What you want to make sure that your kids are paying attention to is getting rid of all of the evidence of the original print job and showing movement. So lots of little jittery lines on the tutu and showing that it's bouncing around. I threw in a shadow here. Play around with it. It doesn't have to be perfect. The nice thing about drawing on top of something is they can focus more on coloring it in and the movement and what it feels like to hold the material rather than working on drawing. We don't really need them to be working on drawing. We're playing with the material. We're learning about the artist. We're listening to the tutor maybe in the background, read the information sheet about the artist, that sort of thing. So don't worry about drawing it. It's already been drawn. Just color in and have fun with the material. And finally, I threw some background color on, and that's the final result. So pretty easy, pretty quick. What you're going to want to make sure you have on hand is some hairspray so that you can make sure this all stays on the paper and not all over your kids. Also make sure that you have lots of paper towels and things, because their fingers can get pretty messy and they will want to wipe it off on their clothing. So thanks so much, and see you on the next one.